In example 3, we need to draw a picture with two graphs that represents the given situation. So in this one, we've got the speed of a person running versus the speed of a person walking. There's a couple different ways that you could draw this graph. I'm going to draw this graph with, let's see, well, we're going to do time here for the x-axis for each one. Here I'll do speed for the y-axis, and you could also do this with respect to distance from the starting point here maybe. And I'll utilize the person running is going to be this color, kind of a purple there, and this one will be a blue. Person walking will be a blue. So when we look at the speed, a person running, if we assume they're not stopping, that would be just a constant line. So this would be the speed of the person running. We know that the speed of the person walking is going to be less, but it's going to be constant. They're just walking. So this would be the graph that you'd want to draw. If you thought about the distance though, for a given amount of time, the person that's going faster would go more distance. And so their graph might look something like this. And assuming that they start off at the same point, the distance that someone travels is not as great for a given amount of time if you're walking. So for this amount of time, the person walking would only go, maybe 200 yards, and the person running would have gone 700 or 800 yards. We can also equate the steepness of each one of these lines to how fast they're going, and you can see that this is positive, so the person is going forward, and also the slope of this line is bigger than the slope of this line, and so we could say that the speed, which is distance over time, or the slope, is more than the line in blue.